Hi guys, I just wanted to pop on and just do a really quick review of Newer's octobox, which they sent me when we did the Newer Q120 portable studio light, because they kindly sent me this to go with that product, and I kind of thought, just to say thank you to them, I just wanted to do another review. So they are sponsoring this video, but my opinion and thoughts are all independent with this. So of course it comes in a lovely bag like this. It's really easy to carry. It's got a little strap to actually put it on your shoulder. It's also got one of those zip, not zip, but fabric ones where you pull it to then close it and open it. I can't remember what they're actually called, I'm afraid. So this is how it comes. So it has got a grid, which I'm just going to show you in a second, but it's a Bowens mount. But what we had to do was we had to get one of these adapters to fit our flash gun and portable lights with, and what just happened really easily, it just fitted in really simply there, and then easy to undo. It was just a very twist mechanism here, and it came back undone. But I've used a lot of softboxes in my time. I've seen the ones where they're permanently fixed, the older ones, and I've seen the ones that are like umbrellas and it's got the pin in the middle. But this has actually been the easiest way to assemble a softbox and have it portable, packing it ear to weight and setting it up. It's got all these clips here, so when you pull it out, it just locks in place like so, and it's just so easy just to attach and make up very easily there. And that literally just took me a couple of seconds, and then that was assembled really easily and quickly. And then when we wanted to pack it away, we could just pop these down with these little push mechanisms here. Oh, that one's a bit stiff, but God, these two are. And then it will go away easily there, and then we can pop it back in the bag. Yeah, so that's a massive game changer for me, because it just meant doing our lavender shoot, it was so easy to assemble and de-assemble very quickly. And if we were doing shoots where we needed to move around very quickly, we can pack it away very easily. But I'm just going to pop it back up very quickly, because I'm just going to show you the inside of it as well. And as you can see, it's not taking me very long to actually do this, but it's got 2 layers of diffusion inside to make sure we get an even illumination on this octobox. It's all silver all the way around as well, and it is about an inch fabric here, so that we can add our 4 centimeter grids on as well. It's very lightweight, which you always want with these soft boxes. Now the catch light I thought was really lovely in these. It was great for our portable, our on low location shoot, because it was so portable as well. And yeah, it's a great addition to our Newer collection of products. So I'm going to show you some footage of the lavender shoot and when this was actually used. We did try it on a few other products when we did need a more powerful light during the shoot, but I was just really impressed with this. It's got the Velcro egg, sorry, for attaching the 4 centimeter grid, which is just here, and this is so easy to assemble as well if we did need it on. And it's just so easy to then assemble, and we could pack it away very simply. And I was just really impressed with this. I'm just going to tidy that up a little bit, just to make it a bit more presentable. There we go. And this is a 4 centimeter grid that also comes with it too. So you can take the grid off for packing it away, but Chris has just kindly shown me a bit of an easier way of doing it. If you push these further back and then press it down, it does release a little bit easier as well. As you can see, I'm doing that absolutely flawlessly. And we can still pack it away in its bag. Just one last one. There again, we can pack it back in our case nice and easily. And then when we want to get onto our next shoot, we can just pack it up and assemble it again. So anyway, thank you so much for sending this 90 centimeter softbox. I've really enjoyed it. It gives a beautiful catch light, so easily portable, so easily to put up and put down. I'm really pleased with this. Thank you for the adapter too. That was very kind. It massively helped with our shoot. And guys, I hope you have enjoyed this review. Let us know your thoughts on your octoboxes and soft boxes. And if you do want to get one of these, I'll put the link below. Please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you all in the next video.